Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will give you a full beginner tutorial on Zoho CRM in 2025. Now, Zoho CRM is a powerful platform that helps you manage your leads, track your deals, and close the sales faster. So, without further delay, let's get straight into it. First of all, you need to come here on zoho.com. Then you need to create your account here if you haven't already. Once you have done that, you are going to see the option of Access Zoho CRM on the top right hand corner of the screen. So you need to click on it and then you will be able to access your dashboard, which is going to look something like this. Over here, you need to give your company name, then your employment count, and click on the option of Get Started. Once you do this, you are going to see this type of Zoho CRM dashboard in front of you. Now over here, this is the home page on which you are going to see all of the analytics about your leads, like your open tasks, your meetings, your open deals, and bunch of other things. So you can manage them here with the help of the home page. Now you need to hover over to the left hand section. In the sales, you will see the option of leads. So click on the option of leads, then click on the option of create lead. Over here, you need to start giving the information of your new lead, like the name, the email address, company, and source. You can also import your lead if you have a spreadsheet. So after adding it, it will come here automatically. So once the lead is qualified, you can convert it into the contact and you can link it with the related company account. You can also head over to the deals section. So deals are very helpful to track the opportunities. In 2025, Zoho also uses the Kanban pipeline view that makes it super easy for you to drag and drop the deals between the stages, just like this one. So each deal card shows the value, probability, and the next step. Zoho CRM is also going to give you the option of workflows and automations. So you can use the automations in order to basically automate your tasks, your reminders, assign the automatic emails, and a bunch of other things. Then we have the option of reports and analytics. So here you will find it on the home page. With the help of it, you can just take a look at the revenue, the top performing sales, and a bunch of other sources. So these insights are going to help you make smarter business decisions. So this way you will be able to start using Zoho CRM even if you are a complete beginner. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.